Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my October kit lineup. Let's begin this month's kit lineup with my monthly kit, because I actually have a monthly kit that I purchased for this month, which is awesome. This is from Sadie Stickers and it's the October 2021 kit. This is her monthly basics format. So she does have I want to say two different types of formats for her monthly kit. So she has the traditional one that has the big block style headers, which just is not quite a match for my planning style, but I really do love that she offers this monthly basic style, which is essentially what you get with the monthly basics kit is just these three pieces here. So you get this sheet with the layering shapes and all of your date dots, one of her deco sheets, which has some washi strips on in various sizes, 3 different sizes actually on the side here. And then you get the, what is this? Like the scripts and icons with all of your holidays and days and all of that important, awesome stuff. So that is what comes with the kit. I always order an extra deco sheet because I can't have too much deco, and then also because I like having more of her washi strips. I am super excited for this, and I haven't quite figured out what fashion doll I want to pair with this. And what I realized after doing my kit lineup from last month, in which I think I changed my mind on just about every fashion doll I ended up using in all of my spreads for September, because it's really hard to know ahead of time. And as I was sitting down looking at the kits I wanted for my October lineup, I was like, if you don't know for sure, don't try to force it, just wait. And then the week that I actually sit down to plan, it's a little bit easier for me to like zero in and focus. This deco sheet is actually from the weekly kit. She always does a weekly kit and a monthly kit labeled with that month of the year. And I just picked up the deco sheet from the weekly kit because it was, of course, the same exact deco, just scaled down. And so I thought this would be fun to pull into the spread to give me some more size options of some of the deco, and then also to give me some more of the layering shapes. So that is my monthly kit. I am so obsessed with this crate. Could that be cuter? And then the little bench. Oh, it is just so adorable. My first thought when I saw this kit is that I have these gingham boxes from the Given Girl, and I was really hoping this blue was going to match. This is the eucalyptus colorway, and it's not quite the right shade of blue, which makes me so sad because that would look so good if it was just the right shade of blue. But I do have the gray, which I think this is the cement colorway, which is gray, and I think this will pair well with it. I'll see. I'm not quite sure if that's going to work, but I just really love the idea of pulling in gingham with this because I think it fits this whole farmhouse vibe, and I think that would look really good together. If not, I do have another farmhouse kit that I'll be using in November that I can pull these gingham boxes into. Okay, getting into the weekly spreads. For the first full week of October, which is going to be the 4th to the 10th, my plan is to use the Boba and Blooms kit from Bloom Paper Studio. And I say my plan because I like to leave it open to the opportunity that I might change my mind with any of these kits in this lineup. So the order of when I use the kits might change a little bit, or the kit itself might change if I get some Happy Mail that I wasn't expecting. And that is what I have learned from from doing these kit lineup videos, is that sometimes things might change. But this one is really fantastic. Mostly, well, not mostly, but one of the things that I truly love and appreciate about this kit is that it has silver foil, and that is such a nice break for me. So much of my autumn kits are rose gold foiled, and so just to be able to take a break and enjoy gold foil and silver foil and give myself a break from looking at rose gold foil, which, don't get me wrong, rose gold foil is my absolute favorite foil color. Can't get enough, love it a lot. But I think every single one of my weekly spreads for September were rose gold foil, and I have a bunch more rose gold foiled autumn kits that I'm going to be using. And so when I was looking at this, I was like, God, that's going to be like a really refreshing break from rose gold, and allow me to use some of my fall accents in silver foil as well, so that those accents don't go to waste. I do have a fashion doll picked out for this one, and it's because the moment I saw this fashion doll, I fell in love with her, and I felt like the blue that's in this kit kind of picked up on her skirt, and I think she's going to like fit the whole mood and vibe of this kit. and I just adore her so very much. So that is the doll that I am planning to use with this kit, and I'm really happy about that. Speaking of taking a break from rose gold foil, look at this gold foil. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, yay, something different. This is the Free Happiness Kit from JK Creates Co. And as of right now, I have this planned for the week of October 11th to the 17th. And so these are the floral deco add-ons. And then of course we have the kit. And I'm doing something that I typically do not do and actually have been trying not to do as a rule for myself, because I am sharing this kit in this kit lineup before I've had a chance to actually haul this. So this is my first time actually seeing this kit. I've seen, of course, the full boxes because that's how it came in packaged. And I've seen the florals. I don't know what the rest of this kit looks like, so this is gonna be really exciting. So we have some gorgeous like foiled headers here. Okay, I'm not gonna go through like an actual haul because I am going to haul this after I finish filming this video. I probably will film a haul sometime later this week. Oh my God. I love these colors so much. That is what is just like, I'm so in love with this kit because of the colors. This makes me so happy. Pink and green is one of my favorite color combinations. Her box format page, just one of the best. She really packs in a lot of great boxes. There's no foil, no embellishments, no nothing. So it allows me to layer the way that I really like to. You get squares, you get these really, really slim boxes. Your third box is label style stickers, half boxes. God, is one of my favorite things about her kit format. Look at the bottom washi. This is very different for me. This is so different for me because this is way more abstract in the design, and I'm kind of just like so in love and obsessed with this because it is so different. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Love that there's deco even in the kit as well. Tons of layering shapes. I've used one of her kits before, and I gotta say I really enjoy her kit format. It's fantastic. It's a 5-page format, and typically most of the kits that I use are 4 pages, and I think it's one of the things that I just think she does so well. Her kit format is great. So super excited for this. Haven't picked a doll for it yet, and I gotta figure out what the mood is for this because I'm really excited about using this kit. So loving everything about the colors and the gold foil. It is definitely giving me happiness. For the third week of October, this is the one kit that I know for sure is not changing. I've actually been holding on to this since like the beginning of summer. This is the Sunkissed kit from Sadie Stickers. I'm going on vacation in the third week of October from the 18th to, so for the week of the 18th to the 24th, I will be using the Sunkissed kit, which is going to be great because it's very beachy but the colors are really like soft and muted, which is so crazy because I remember when I first saw this kit, I was like, this is going to be so great for my vacation because the colors aren't super summery. They weren't like bright and bold or anything like that. And I figured that going into October, I'd be using much more subdued and much more muted colorways, and that this was going to work out really great. And it's so funny to think that what it's actually coming before it is this really bright, fun pink and green and gold kit, which is like actually quite bright for autumn, and I don't care. It's actually kind of refreshing just because it gives me a little bit of a break, but I don't feel like it feels out of place for autumn at all. I don't know. I do find it completely hilarious that my thought process in selecting this over other beach themed kits that were released in the summer was that, oh, it's got like really subdued colors, so it probably won't feel out of place when I use it in October. And then the kit I'm using right before it is like super bright. Well done Tay. And then to wrap up the month of October and head and transition into November, I will be using the Hazel kit from Two Little Bees. So this will be for the week of October 25th to the 31st. And I love this kit so much. I'm super excited. I actually just placed an order for her Evergreen kit. And I am really excited about that because I now have a freebie with Two Little Bees, and my freebie matches the Hazel kit. So when my next order arrives with the Evergreen kit, I will get my freebie for the first time, which I'm super excited about. And it's going to match this kit, and I'll be able to use it with this kit, and it's going to be wonderful. All the good things. So this kit is incredibly gorgeous. Her kit format is legit one of my favorites right now. And it's so funny. I actually just uploaded a plan with me using her Evermore kit. And I think I was saying in that plan with me that her kit format is just so amazing. These 3 pages, I think, are what really set her kits apart for me. This functional page in which you get all of these just fantastic shapes, all of the florals, and then you get this bunch of florals that are really scaled down, and that size is just so amazing. I really love that for layering. Then you have this floral add-on page, which gives you just a wide variety of different assortments and different bunches and different singles and frames. Truly incredible. And then of course the deco sheet in which you get images, which totally works for me because I really love pulling these into date cover deco and things like that. So many wonderful things about this, and oh my God, I absolutely have the perfect fashion doll for this. And when I saw it, I was like, she is giving me like the best Olivia Pope vibes. This doll right here and all of her fabulousness. And look at how perfect she is. She is going to look so good with this kit. I like cannot wait. She is a whole mood all by herself. And I just was like, yep, that's the one. And I love when I have that feeling. And it's just like the right connection. And I felt like that with the doll that I selected for the Evermore kit, which made me really happy. This is a whole new journey for me, and I'm really enjoying the process of like getting into sidebar deco and using fashion dolls, and the whole process of trying to find just like that right doll is, I don't know, it thrills me clearly. So these are the gorgeous kits that I'll be using for the month of October. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love to know what kits you'll be using for the month of October. You can go ahead and leave that in the comments below, or if you want to share on Instagram, please tag me so that I can see and comment on the amazing kits that you'll be using for this month. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.